everyone, welcome to another video. Today's video will be showing you where your horn relay is located, guys. Horn relay and horn fuse if necessary. This is for a Honda DC5 Type R, Integra or Acura RSX, Type R, whatever, Type S, same shit. So you just go ahead, open up your hood, pop off your fuse box cover, and then on your fuse box cover you'll see we have some things. So this one here, you're going to want to find that. So this is your horn fuse number 7, and then you have your relay just in the middle here. So we're going to sit this one down, sit that over here, and we'll use this little pointer, show you guys where it is. So your horn relay is right here. That is your horn relay right there, and then your fuse is next to your 30 amp ABS. So it's 15. So it's right here. That is your fuse for your horn. So horn fuse number 15 and horn relay right here in the middle. Okay guys, so just for a better view, relay and the fuse number 15 amps. Okay guys, hope this helps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in another video. Alright, peace out.